Ogai mar jotend migepe Musalia Mudavadi owuok oko mar odokne dhok ma bende ne jatend piny Tanzania Samia Suluhu otiyo godo kaoluwore gi meko mar jaked ne ratich oganda ma pacho kae Bonface Mwangi e pinyno.
I think there's some truth. Let us face a few facts. The level of etiquette, the level of insults that we see bandied in Kenya, even though we have the freedom of speech, is sometimes going overboard. I'm agreeing to some extent with what she has said. She has said that she's unhappy, and she says that because they observe what we do here, okay? And that is why I said I will need a little more time to get more evidence into the details of the operations, because there are incidents that have happened, so we'll pick up and get the facts. To the point of saying whether we have displayed decency, I'm not talking about the individuals in question here. She's talking from a general viewpoint. If it is a general viewpoint, I think she has a point.
Mani mabendo kelo giko mag weche manyien e yorno mar adimba gi lak seche gito magithund weche mabende ne